So we're going to test a solar panel. I'm going to show you how I set up the meter first to do volts. This is your volts DC. So you can measure your volts right there. But we also want to see what the amp draw is of a solar panel. And this will measure amps. So that's how we're going to set up the meter there. Over here is our amps DC. And we're going to use this light bulb to demonstrate this. So we have the negative lead here. To light the light, you would hook to the positive, but you can do this in series like that. Your light lights up, and then you can see this light is 0.26 amp draw. So that's how we set up the meter. And I'll show you how we're going to test the solar panel. So this is a solar panel I literally got out of the garbage can because this trace right here was open. I had it for a long time and finally decided I would try to fix it, and I soldered that back together and it's working. So you can see it's an 80 watt panel. It's about 4.73 amps, 21 volts. And we're gonna test it. We're gonna put the meter leads right at the end of the wires on the solar panel. This here is set up for DC volts. We're gonna start the panel flat and we'll start raising it up. And you'll see the voltage doesn't really change too much as we raise the panel. Voltage stays pretty consistent. Looks like it's about a volt lower than what's listed on the label. But here we set the meter up for amps, and you can see laying flat it was 3 amps, and we can go up, and when we hit the right perfect angle we'll actually get 4.73. So that's how you can determine the right angle for the solar panel, you know, depending on the time of the year, the angle of the sun. And then also I'm going to demonstrate if the panel gets shaded. You know, you can lose a lot of output from the shade. So you can see that I'm just sticking my arm in front of the panel, so actually shading it like that. And if you actually, you know, cover up enough cells, you'll go down to 0, but you'll see here it actually goes down pretty low.